in recent years, as a result of the condition of my mouth, I found myself lacking confidence in certain situations. The dentist for me was always a fearful experience, and I typically only came when it was an emergency. And at a point, we reached a point where there were no more emergency applications that were going to work, so we had to do something different. But I got to tell you, the end result is quite remarkable, because all of a sudden I'm smiling more than I ever did, and I'm just feeling a level of confidence that I may not have needed, but I certainly have reacquired, let's say. And it truly makes a difference. And eating is a pleasurable event again. There are no foods that I'm afraid of. At no point throughout this process did I feel any lack of confidence in what was being done, because I was sure that you knew what you were doing. I knew that you were in close consultation with Giannini as well. And I think the teamwork that the two of you took on, and of course your staffs respectively, are unbelievable. They're truly professional, and I think it makes a lot of difference. My only regret now is I didn't do this sooner. I really mean that. I mean that my days they're brighter. They really are.
Yeah.
I realized when things were bad that it was affecting me emotionally. I didn't want to socialize as much. I was very conscious and very self-conscious of the condition of my mouth. My wife teaches cooking as a profession, and I found myself in situations where I wasn't confident eating what she was preparing. And that was a true loss. We do a lot of what we do socially involves friends and family and meals. And when you sit there in a meal and you're actually worried, as I was, that my teeth could fall out, it was a horrible feeling. And now I'm the first one to say, let's have so-and-so over for dinner, and let's do this and let's do that, because it's a confidence level, of course. And I would say that once you sit down with you and come up with a plan, stay the course. It will get done, and it will get done professionally. It will look great when it's over, and you'll say to yourself when it's over, I should have done this a while ago. If you would ask me in the beginning if this would have affected me emotionally, I would have said no, because I was kind of grumpy and in denial. And the fact of the matter is, unfortunately, hindsight's always 20/20. I realize now that this would have really made a better life for me had I done it earlier. I can tell you right now that I can't wait to eat. I don't fear what I eat anymore. I'm back to doing what I always enjoyed, which was eating well and with friends and family and socializing. And I had an interesting experience recently. We had another family dinner, and somebody, one of my son's girlfriends, to put it bluntly, looked up and said, "You have such a great smile." And I thought to myself, oh my goodness, if you only knew. And that was when the light kind of went on.
That's awesome.
It really was. My wife and I looked at each other and just
You're like,
oh, if you only knew, but boy, I feel a whole lot better. Not thinking about your teeth, and not thinking, well, I can't go to that wedding because they're going to be serving such and such, and I don't want to sit there and have an uncomfortable experience and all of that. And now it's, let's go, let's do, and let's live.